Today on How To, I'll be showing you guys where to put the SD in the SIM card in your new Alcatel JoyTab. So this is a pretty standard tablet. It's an Android tablet for basic use. It's not too advanced. So here we have the little door where the SD card and the SIM card will be under. Let me see if it's just an easy pop. No, hold on one second. Let me open this up. There we go. So there is where you'll slide in the SD card and the SIM card. Now with these devices, you'll notice how I pushed the SIM in. There is a part that actually pushes that SIM card out. You'll have to pull it out. This design is a little tricky. I personally have never been a fan of these tablets just because they're not as simple. I actually cut a part of the video where I was struggling to open this little flap. So I may have to cut this again, but there you go. This is where the SIM card goes. I might not remove it. Hold on one second. Let me see if this thing will come out. I'm struggling with it. I had to go get a piece of tape to get the SIM card out. So there you go. So that's the SIM card right there. That's how you get the service put on the phone. You get the 4G LTE and the upcoming 5G that's coming up. You just need this simple SIM card from your carrier, in this case T-Mobile. There you have it, and you just place it right back in the slot that's designated for the SIM card. And again, it does have that response where you push it in, it pushes it out, so you do have to push in the SIM card until it clicks. Oh man, I'm struggling a little bit with this device. There you go. So I push it in and it clicks and it'll stay right there. It's the same thing with the SD card. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.